Formula for success for 200. The formula below finds kinetic energy, K, or the energy an object possesses due to motion. Find the kinetic energy in meters per second squared of an object with a mass m of 20 kilograms and a velocity v of 25 meters per second. And before you panic and freak out, take a look. They gave you the formula. All right. Where are you guys at with formulas? Does anybody know how to use a formula?
Yeah, I guess you substitute whatever you have in the formula.
That's exactly the first place I would start. Substitute in any known values into the formula. Do you want to help me do that? What do we know?
Um, I want to say I know math,
Beautiful.
which is
Yes.
20.
Beautiful. Yes, they say we know our mass m is 20 kilograms. That means instead of calling m, I can call it 20. I'm going to replace the m with a 20. Okay. Now, of course, when I'm substituting into a formula, I don't change signs like equal signs or numbers like 1/2. Everybody okay with why I put 20 in parentheses?
Because you're going to multiply it?
Yes, 1/2 and m were shoved together, which meant they were multiplying. So I need some kind of a signal as I plug in a number here that we're doing multiplication. Gorgeous. Now, how about the v squared portion? Do I know v?
25 meters per second.
Beautiful. Now make sure you close up the parentheses and put the square on the outside. Exponents go on outsides of parentheses when we're plugging in. So now I have k equals 1/2 times, and instead of m, I have 20, and instead of v, I have my 25 I substituted in, and now I did my substitution step. Beautiful. Okay, now that I've substituted it in, what do I do from here?
You tap it in your calculator, simplify.
Yes, you pick up your GED calculator and you type it in your calculator. We can type this exact thing the way we see it. You can do a fraction with the N over D button if you like, or you can use the decimal equivalent. I don't care, but 1/2, arrow out of the fraction to times by 20 by 25, close parentheses before you press the X squared button. And what do you guys get? Anybody have a calculator and doing it for me?
Yeah, I had D. 6,000.
Wonderful. That's what I got too. 6,250 meters per second squared. Gorgeous. Nice job, you guys. Wow. Usually my students get intimidated by that. I'm impressed.